damn it. Oh my god. Go, I've been filming. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh my god. Holy crap. That's like 6 feet. I swear. We can't do our rock skipping. Oh my god. Holy crap. I need to move in closer. This is priceless. Jeez. Oh. I'm just getting wet. This is amazing.
No, the rocks are clear enough. Not really.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
I don't want to get my iPod wet.
Wait, Connor, are you seriously getting all of this on tape?
Yes, it's been recording this whole time. I'm gonna delete sound in this and put it on.
Don't delete it. Yeah.
No, I'll put it on 19 Cousins and email like everyone I have in my contacts to view this because it's amazing.
You have me in your contacts.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look at that. Gotta get over here.
Yeah, get over there.
This
Big
is so
waves
much
are
bigger
over
over here.
Jeez.
What the heck?
You just made this huge one.
No, I didn't. I got it. I need to be really up close to get the full size though.
Connor, let's get on that little,
Oh my god. Yeah, we'll get on that. That's good. Oh my. That was so big. I've been recording. Woo. Jeez. It's still April and these are the waves. April.